In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check SSD speed in Windows 11. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button on your taskbar, then type Command Prompt from the results, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator so you have full access to run system commands. Once the Command Prompt window opens, click inside it to make sure your cursor is active and ready for input. Now type WinSat and press Enter. This command will run a built-in Windows performance test that checks the speed of your main drive, usually the C drive. It measures different types of read and write performance, giving you a quick overview of how fast your SSD is. After running the command, wait a few moments while Windows completes the test. It's important not to open or use other apps during this process so the results stay accurate. Once the test finishes, you'll see several lines of results appear in the command prompt window. Look through the output and focus on the throughput values, especially the read and write speeds. These numbers give you a clear idea of your SSD's performance in real-world usage. If you want to check the speed of a different drive, you can run a slightly modified command. Type WinSat disk-drive followed by the drive letter, then press Enter. For example, you can type WinSat disk-drive D to test another drive on your system. Make sure you only type the letter and do not include a colon. Once the test completes, again review the disk sequential read and disk sequential write values. These are the key indicators of how fast your SSD can handle large files. You can repeat the same command for any other drives on your computer if you want to compare performance across multiple disks. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.